One thing I'm noticing about vlogging every day is that there's a possibility that some of these will turn into food vlogs, but I'm still going to show you anyway. So tonight we are doing crock-potted potatoes with cheese and soon to be bacon and sour cream. So we are having stuffed, there's a word for it, loaded potatoes, I guess would be a good way to say it. Loaded potatoes, and I am super excited for it. Does life get any better than that? My wife also just planted some stuff in the garden, so she is currently watering the garden. And things are still growing, which is exciting. Right now she's harvesting okra, it looks like. So check out that okra. So I think I found the part that was making weird sounds. So I drained this, and so that's the little drain impeller. And right here at the bottom, I'm not sure what that is, but it is definitely the thing making, oops, drag, there we go, is making the noise. So what I'm going to do is put a hook on this, should just screw on. And I'm going to try to pull whatever that thing is out. Oh! Alright, so I'm going to go in and try to hook this thing. Oh, this is a lot harder than it looks. Don't get stuck. There's a lip that I need to pull it over, and that's what's making this difficult. Yes. Now, and this is what was making that terrible, terrible grinding sound in our dishwasher. And so the $20 borescope probably saved, what, 60, 70 if we had to call a repair person, because this may have damaged if we let it in. Left it in. May have damaged the dishwasher. I cannot speak today apparently. May have damaged the dishwasher should we have left that in. For 20 bucks, worth it.